Hello and welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make a hot dog. Keto hot dog. Okay, so starting off by melting some ghee, link in the iCard, and then I've got my sausages that I made the other day. These are the closest to hot dogs that I can find. Well, even though they're more or less just meat, which is what I like. Anyway, I need to make some kind of condiments. I'm gonna make a ketchupy sauce, like a mashed up salsa. So I'm having 8 cocktail tomatoes, salt, pepper, and then chili, garlic, olive oil. Just browning them a little bit. Chopping up 2 jalapenos. I'm removing the seeds and the membranes inside. A small red onion, chopping that up, and then frying it all. Adding a tablespoon of coconut oil just to get some good fats in there. Then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, because ketchup's got vinegar, right? Okay, so I'm gonna boil this down until it's more or less like a paste, and then I'll just add it to a small blender. Oh yeah, I have a tablespoon of tomato paste in there as well. Blending it to a smooth consistency, drying it out. Well, hot, really good. Okay, sausages are closing in on being done. Okay, so I'm making the same bread that I'm gonna link that, the Keto bread, but I shaped them, just rolled them into oblongs and made hot dog buns. And they worked out really well. I should have waited a little bit, they're still hot here, so should have done them a little bit earlier. Okay, adding the condiment and the hot dog, of course, and then some shrimp mayo. A link for that in the iCard as well. Okay. And now it was more or less just time for a taste test. There we go. Homemade hot dogs, sausages with homemade, well, let's call it ketchup and some shrimp mayo. That's right. And that bread worked really well with that. Yeah, I'll consider that being a hot dog. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.